again, I'm coming back at that verse that we dealt with yesterday, because I think it's so rich with certain bits of truth. Hear what it says. Chapter 6, verse 6 of the book of Matthew says, "But you, when you pray, enter into your closet, and when you have shut the door, pray to your Father which is in secret, and your Father which seeth in secret shall reward thee openly." There seemed to be in the text a clear indication, not only a call to privacy and a call to intimacy, but a directive prayer. It says, pray to the Father. Pray to the Father. Pray to the Father who is coming to meet with you in the privacy of your life, in the privacy of the challenge and of the concern. Not the public event, but in the privacy of our lives. I love it because in those seasons, you begin to appreciate who God is, how he's dealing with us, and exactly what the intent is. So hear what? When I meet with him in secret, and the word secret here doesn't convey a negative, but more of a space away from the rest of the attention of others. And he says, you've got to find that place. Keep that place as a space where when you meet with God, it's a one-on-one. And he says, pray to the Father. Make requests. And I tell you what, the word for pray in this context talks about a wish or a will. So he's saying, come on, get those aspects of your life that cannot be controlled by you, and you need the intervention of God. And he says, that's what you talk about in the secrecy of your life. The relationship that is going left, the situation that is out of control, the management of the other thing that you can't get your hand around or your life around. Yes, it is that you get involved with. And he says, pray to the Father in secret. Come on, I hope you're talking to God. I don't want to just encourage you to pray. Come on, I hope you prayed this morning. I hope you got into that private place and had an intimate discussion with God about what your day looks like, who you're going to encounter, and how best he would want you to treat with it, and that you've laid it down that he is in control. If you haven't, I pray that you'll go do so now. Don't let the day's events capture you before you had an opportunity to talk about those things with your God. If you haven't as yet, make some time right now and talk to him. He is waiting in the secret place for you.